Yo, how's it going, guys? It's another video of the Project Audi, and today we are going to be changing the ignition coils. So in my last video I changed the spark plug, so the first thing you want to do is remove the engine cover. It's got 4 grommets, you just set it aside, and then so we're basically kind of working in the same area. We're going to take off this T30 Torx bolt and then slide these ignition coil connectors to the side, and then we're going to replace these coils, ignition coils. So let me get that situated and then we'll come back. So I got the old ignition coils removed, and then here are the new ones with the red topped R8 style ignition coils. I'll show the part number real quick in case you want to see. And so those are basically just going to go into the slots there, and then I'm going to hook up the ignition coils to the connectors and slide them to the side. So let me get to that step. Okay, so I got the ignition coils all put in and plugged in with the coil harness, and then the last step is to reinsert the T30 bolt and torque it down, and then get the engine cover on. So let me do that and we'll get on from there. Okay, got the bolt in. Let's put the engine cover back on. 4 rubber grommets. Let's push down on each side, and then let's start it up and see what happens. Hopefully it works. Moment of truth. Here goes nothing. It's so hot outside right now, so. Okay, I think we're good to go. No engine light. Car started up just fine. I think we're good to go. So another job well done. Thanks for watching, guys.